Hi guys, it's Monday morning here in Bangkok. I just thought I'd go over a few things today in theme with really what Monday is. It's kind of starting things, how to start things. I had a guy recently asking, how do I start a Singapore business? How do I start saving? How do I start looking at where to move or what options to do or where the next place in the world should I move? And my answer to this is people take it as a kind of sprint, so they try and do everything at once, whether that's saving or starting a business. My advice is take baby steps. So if you're looking to start saving, you don't need to start saving the full amount, or say 50% of your salary needs to go away. Try just putting 10% away a month for the next 6 months, and that's your goal. If you're to do it with fitness, would you go, right, next month I'm gonna start a marathon and hit a 2:30 time? No, you'd work your way gradually up to that. So for saving, just take little steps, getting the habit of saving. Most people don't save. If you're a saver, you're automatically in the top. I think it was 76% of Americans, if you've got more than $6,000 in your bank account, under the age of 55, and I think it's even less if you're under the age of 29. So yeah, in fact, more people are in debt. So if you want to start a business, if you're looking to move abroad, you think, okay, well, how do I do this? Take baby steps. You don't need to go all about stepping businesses straight away. Look at where's best, do some research, spend some time there. For example, I've got friends that are looking to move to Malaysia, a good part of the world, set up a business there, set up a kind of Labuan company. Yes, how to do it, what's the best step? And I said, spend some time in Malaysia, go to KL, spend some time, see if you like the place, get to know it, because it's not just about going there, opening up a company. It comes with a lot of challenges if you take everything at one step. So my advice for today is do everything little and do it, make it become routine. Most people lack that discipline and take it as a sprint. So I hope that all goes well, guys. Have a good rest of your week, and I hope it's productive.